In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat application and tap here on your profile icon to open up your profile. After that, tap on gear icon at the top right and here select Bitmoji. Now there you got a bunch of different options like change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie and unlink my Bitmoji. And in order to delete your Bitmoji, select that option. And now it says if I really want to unlink my Bitmoji, I need to confirm that action. So I tap on unlink and now my Bitmoji was deleted from my Snapchat and I can create new one if I want. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.